Hi there everyone! Today I am excited to share a sweet and festive Christmas puff pastry wreath recipe with you. This delicious and cheerful treat is perfect for decorating your table during the Christmas holidays. It's incredibly easy to make with just a few simple ingredients, yet it looks like fancy store-bought dessert. Let's dive in and get started. Place your puff pastry dough on a lightly floured work surface. Roll it out gently. Spread half cup of raspberry jam and half cup of chopped walnuts evenly over the pastry, leaving an inch border around the edges. Feel free to customize it with your favorite nuts, dried fruits, or jam of choice. Next, roll up the dough tightly to form a log. Use a knife to cut the log in half lengthwise. Carefully braid the two pieces together, keeping the cut lines facing up. Pin the ends together to form a wreath shape. Transfer the wreath to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Brush it with beaten egg, and if you like, sprinkle some cinnamon on top for extra flavor. Bake in preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes until puffed up and golden brown. Once baked, let the wreath cool completely on a wire rack. Serve the stunning dessert as you like, with a scoop of ice cream on top or dusted with powdered sugar. Either way, it's delicious and sure to impress. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching and happy holidays!